Hi everyone, this is Jatin Kataria, I'm a member of PGP08. As I am not there, so I am sending a recording, so I thought to take you to my office. So this is the entry of our first ever initiative of Saurashtra's region called Local Co-working Space. It's third dedicated in Gujarat. This is the logo of co-working space. Let's go inside right now. This is how it enters some legal balconies. This is reception area. This is some waiting area. This is the area for private cabins and meetings, where I'm not taking right now. This is the conference room where we organize our events and our conferences. And then let's go outside. Let me introduce to what we do. So this is one of the banner of our company, so V Group, which I started after completing the MBA. I worked for GSCL for 3 years, and then I started my company called V Group. So the first one is V-Shaper, which is basically into strategic business management and project management, and we do startup consulting and startup mentoring as well. The second one is We Transform. We train or we share our expertise with more than 50,000 people across the world, under which we started one of the strong initiative, which is this called Learn Smart Use of Smartphone. This is first of the program focusing the digital smart India vision in mind, and we have 6 more programs which is yet to come. The third one is Be Our Rural World. It's strategic village development activity, and we are getting support from a project Rishi. It's a California-based organization, and we are executing the entire project in one village. In second village, we are working in education, where some individual donors are giving the funding. The last one is We Lead, where I am not taking right now what we do under the We Lead, which I'll introduce at the end. But this is one of the banner. You must be knowing about Vibrant Saurashtra. We were the official startup partner under Vibrant Saurashtra, and Department of Science and Technology funded the entire initiative, and it was under us. This is some of the media claims. You can see few. I guess updated poster is yet to come. You will see 7 to 8 more. This is the entry board which everybody see when they enter in the office. Let me take you to the cool zone. This is low height beanbag sections where innovation and creativity happens. People like-minded people sit here. This is the entire professional area where revolving chair and tables are available. Let me take you to the couch section. It's most interesting section of our office. This is couches where people sometimes sleep as well, and people sometimes sleep and work. And this is my MBA degree, which I did it from PDPU. And this is my entire education qualification. So after engineering and after MBA, I did almost 15 online certification, which some of you also might did it. This is the United Nations Award. I received 3 awards from United Nations. So these are few of them. This is Karmavir Chakra, which I received last year itself. Let me take you to one of our venture. We started a venture with co-founder of 3 different countries. That is Sylvia from Bulgaria, Macedonia, and Canada. This is peer-to-peer mentorship project. We started 1.5 years back. It's still in the alpha version, but people from 50 countries are utilizing the platform. I invite you to utilize this platform. It's growart.net. And then let me take you to the last phase, which is We Lead, which I missed earlier. So this is We Lead. In last 3 years, we organized 41 conferences where 4,987 people participated. We are still working on bringing crowdfunding platform, IREX, Startup Weekend, TEDx, Hackamania. There are a lot of things that are coming in the city. We brought a lot of organizations like EHI do, Google Business Group, and a lot of things. So this is what I do. This is what we are. I hope you guys come here and visit us. Whenever you are in Rajkot, feel free to come here. And when I'll be in Ahmedabad, I'll surely visit the campus. Bye bye. Have a nice day.